Hi everyone, today we'll be looking at Network Days INTL. Last week we looked at Network Days. So now when it comes to Network Days INTL, it allows you to pick your own weekends. So for instance, maybe your own weekend is not Saturday and Sunday. Probably your weekends are Mondays and Tuesdays. Then Network Days INTL will allow you to pick those particular days. Okay, so now if you look at my screen, I have start date and then I also have end date. Now I'm going to apply my function now, my network days INTL function. Network days, my start date this, then my end date this, and then now my weekend. Okay, so which will be, I'll go for this Monday and Tuesday. Close my brackets, then hit my enter. So it means that I'll be working for 260 days. So for, let's look at the second, third and fourth projects. So we have 173, 104 and 137 days. So Network Days INTL allows you to custom your own weekends. Okay, unlike workday and network days, they will automatically remove your weekends. For Network Days INTL, it allows you to pick your own weekends. Hope you've learned something today. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for you to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.